Hello everyone! Today we're going to be working on a round weaving, also known as a radial weaving. We've marked an odd number of notches, and now we are going to cut our notches. You have to use an odd number in order for the weaving to work. Now let's put on our warp strands. We will need masking tape and some yarn. We're going to tape the end of the yarn to the back side of our loom, pulling the yarn through one notch. Please write your name and class code on the back side. Now this loom happens to have 21 notches, so I am counting down 10 notches to find my middle point. You will have one more notch on the one side than the other. When we flip the loom over, we're going to go around the back to the next notch, flip it to the front, and cross, making a very skinny X. Repeat this step, going around to the next, across, again and again. When we get down to the end, we should just have one notch left. You'll want to cut your yarn, leaving some extra. And then we're going to use our blunt weaving needle to find the center of our loom, and you poke a hole through. And we're going to thread that tail through the eye of the needle. And notice how I'm pulling the warp strands down and away and feeding that through. And it brings everything nice and tight in the center. And tape to secure it on the end. All right, now our loom is ready. Now what we're going to do is begin to start weaving. So you'll cut a length of yarn using a different color this time. And this is a thicker yarn, so when I thread my needle, I'm not going to tie the yarn. I'm just going to kind of fold over a little tail and pinch it as I go. Similar to the straight weaving, we are using an over one under one pattern, but instead of working in rows, we are working in the round. Pulling our tail with us as we go. You can spin your loom as you go as well, which kind of helps. Doing over, under. It's going to make a nice tight spot in the center. I like to trim that little extra off. This one was pretty fuzzy. And then we're going to continue over, under. Because you have an odd number of warp strands, your pattern should work. As long as you're going in and out of each one, it makes that nice checkerboard look. Continue going around, switching colors as you go. Enjoy your beautiful weaving.